Your rack equipment is exposed to thousands of power disturbances every year. One damaging surge can cause downtime, equipment failure, and costly repairs. Introducing the Thor Technologies RF11P Prodigy Rack Guard. Professional rack-mounted power protection designed specifically for critical AV and IT installations. With up to 130 times more protection than Australian industry standards, unlimited Joules technology, and a reaction speed of less than 1 nanosecond, the RF11P responds before damaging energy can reach your equipment. Unlike traditional sacrificial surge protectors that wear out over time, Thor's patented non-sacrificial technology absorbs surge energy and then regenerates itself. Think of it like a shock absorber that resets, ready to protect again and again. The RF11P doesn't just protect. Its Prodigy filtering technology actively reduces electrical noise and interference, delivering cleaner power for all your equipment containing computer chips, which is just about everything, reducing or eliminating system hangs, file corruption, and error code events. Designed for professional installations, the RF11P features 7 Australian outlets on the front, 4 rear IEC connections, adjustable rack mounting brackets, and a compact one-rack unit design. Front panel status indicators provide instant confirmation that your equipment remains protected. If protection is ever compromised, the warning lights immediately alert you. Protect your servers, switches, routers, and AV equipment with the RF11P Prodigy Rack Guard. Industry-leading protection, patented non-sacrificial technology, designed and engineered by Thor Technologies.